VibeSheet. It's a code factory built into a Google Sheet. You get direct access to a private Google Sheet that comes with thousands of lines of app script code that you get access to. You get access to our training portal. There's free training and links, and all the stuff you need is here. And the idea is that you can amplify what you want using the Google Sheet, using this system, this automated system. It comes with different types of features like intelligent market research. It comes with a planning tool. It comes with a script engine. Use what you want, though. You don't need to use all of it. The core product is the script builder product. So after you add your API key, then you'll bring in AI into this automated system. It's shocking what you can do within a Google Sheet. I think people may not fully understand how powerful a Google Sheet can be and what you can fully automate. And the nice thing is you're leveraging these things for, against your own AI system. So the script builder is a 3-step process. There is a pop-up that you can use. However, you don't have to use it. You can just use our sheet directly. You can add in specific knowledge, but most importantly, you need to add in your project type, title, and notes. Set this up by setting your project type, add in your project name and your project notes, and that's it. There's really those 3 things. You can add in some extra knowledge if you want. We go over that in training, and basically add in your notes. And once you have that in place, it's really simple to start. There are cleaning cycles. We allow up to 6 different cycles. Each cycle brings in different things like adding in security and different types of features. Now, you may not know what to add in for your project notes. So we have what's called the plan builder. And so what this does is, if you're not quite sure, you can pick your project type, and then it'll preload questions for you that you just need to answer. You can actually add your own questions into column A and then answer those yourself. And then when you go to submit this, the AI will take it, process it, and help to build you a document, which is just a Google Doc link. Then you can edit that document as needed. You could actually use ChatGPT to edit it further. But then once you're ready, just simply grab that link, add it into the script builder sheet instead of typing out all your notes, and that's it. Once you start this script builder process, there's a built-in agent. There's all this automation. The AI is going to help to figure out how to build this for you, and it starts to develop the overall project plan, all the file types and everything. It's a low-cost system. Generally, we're seeing about 10 cents per row, so you can build pretty substantial projects and apps for pretty low cost. So with this demo, we built a little calorie tracking calculator in Google Sheet. So once it's done, you can either export it to Google Drive or you can export it to GitHub. I teach GitHub mostly. It's a really nice way to use other AI tools like Codex or Cursor to amplify cleaning these up if you don't want to clean up with VibeSheet. And so this is just a quick demo of creating a Google Sheet, opening up app scripts, copying the code over, and then this is the code that's coming straight out of VibeSheet. There was a little bit of cleanup that I had to do to get it running, but I think it was like 6 simple things. And then other than that, you have a little sidebar, a little pop-up that's helping you to add data, track, and the AI just sort of built this for me. You can so there's a bigger system here. It's repeatable. There's an engine that will run, and we'll kind of look at that here in this demo real quick. So there's a dashboard that controls building a whole bunch of ideas or modules. So it all starts with the idea planning. There's a sidebar that lets you pick your project type. You can then type, you can select if you want an app idea or a module, add in some notes here, and use AI to start building out all the different ideas or modules that you want to build. And then when you load the dashboard, it'll preload all of those ideas. And then you have a system that will just run constantly. You do want to make sure that you set up GitHub. If you don't, not a problem. It will just export to your Google Drive. But as it goes through one at a time and builds your ideas, it's going to automatically start exporting everything into your GitHub. And once you have all of your ideas in place, the really cool thing is we have an autopilot system. You can set this to run daily, hourly, and what will happen is the system will run one at a time. So another cool thing I really am excited about is the intelligent market research tools. Or the research agent. And how I built this is that it will go out and look at popular lifetime deal sites like AppSumo or Product Hunt or similar. And so what you do is you go into settings, you set up what you want the tool to go find for ideas. It will look at existing projects and it will try to understand maybe what's missing, like what are people wanting or what could you build? So it's looking at real competition. And it's trying to give you ideas of things you can build. For example, this went out, it found a plugin called Yoast, which has been around a long time and is developing ideas, springboarding off that. So, okay, you got a whole bunch of ideas, our market research ideas. Let's go ahead and add them to the idea sheet. Let's get them into the automation so that the whole system can just start building new ideas. So that is the Code Factory and VibeSheet as a big overviews.